Namaskaram, dear students. In the previous video, we discussed about the important questions that are expected for in your session ending examination from the first term. In this video, we will discuss about the important questions that are expected from the chapters of second term. In second term, the first lesson is Ahamabi Vidyalayam Gavishyami. In this lesson, exercise number 2, Ekapadena Uttarani Likhata, exercise number 3, Purnavakyana Uttarada. In the second term lessons, this Ekapadena Uttarada, Purnavakyana Uttarada, these questions you have to read and understand the meaning of the question, and you should know how to answer these questions. Okay, Padida Avabodhanam is one part of your question paper, Padida Avabodhanam. In this Padida Avabodhanam, there will be questions based on paragraph, sloga and skit. That is, read the paragraph and answer the questions, read the sloga and answer the questions, read the skit part and answer the questions. Okay, these three types of questions will be coming. So, for answering these questions, you should know the chapters very well. For that purpose, you have to read these questions, Ekapadena Uttarada and Purnavakyana Uttarada. Understand the meaning of the question and answer. Okay. So, Ahamabi Vidyalayam Gavishyami from this lesson, Ekapadena Uttarada. First question, Girijayaha Grihasevikayaha Nama Kim Asid. What was the name of the servant of Girija? That is the first question. Answer, Darshana. Darshanayaha Putri Kadi Varshiya Asid. What about the age of the daughter of Darshana? Answer, Ashtavarshiya, 8 years old. Adyate Siksha Asmagam Kidrishaha Adhikaraha. Education is the right. What type of right is education? Answer, Maulikaha Adhikaraha, that is fundamental right. Darshanayaha Putri Katham Nrityadi. Next question. How Darshana's daughter is dancing? Answer, Karatalavadana Sahidam, by clapping. Now, Purnavakyana Uttarada. Ashtavarsha Darshanayaha Putri Kim Samartha Asid. Darshana's daughter, she was aged about 8 years. She was able to do what types of works? That is the question. Answer, Ashtavarsha Darshanayaha Putri Grihasya Samburnam Karyam Kartum Samartha Asid. She was able to do all household works of the house. Darshana Kadi Grihanam Karyam Karodisma. How many houses work Darshana was doing? Answer, Panchashad, 5 to 6. So the answer will be like this. Darshana Panchashad Grihanam Karyam Karodisma. Next question. Malini Swapradivesinim Pradi Kim Kathayati. Answer, Malini Swapradivesinim Pradi Kathayati. Girije Mama Putraha Madula Griham Pradi Prastidaha. Kachid Anyam Kamabi Mahila Karyartam Janasi Tarhi Prashaya. Answer is there in the first paragraph. Adyatve Chhatraha Vidyalaya Kim Kim Nishulkam Prapnavandi. That is the next question. Nowadays, what all are things children are getting from the school without paying money? Answer, Adyatve Chhatraha Vidyalaya Nishulkam Ganavesham Pustagani Pustagasyudam Padatranam Madhyana Bhojanam Chhatravartim Ityadikam Sarvameva Prapsyanti. Okay, answer is there in the second last paragraph. Next question is Prashna Nirmanam. Malini Dwaram Udghadayati. Malini is the underlined word. Answer ka. Malini is Striling Shabd Pradama Ekavajan. So the question word is ka. Next underlined word Sarvesham Balanam Shashti Bahuvajan. So the question word will be Kesham. Malinim Didiya Ekavajan Kam. Parivarasya again Shashti Ekavajan Kasya. Okay, these are the question words. So these question words are very much important. Prashna Dharmanam is one type of question coming for your examination. So from this lesson 4 questions are there. Out of these 4, 1 or 2 will be there for your examination. Next question is Sandhi Vichedam. Very very important. Gramam Pradi, Gramam plus Pradi, Karyartham, Karya plus Artham, Karishyathyesha, Karishyati plus Esha, Sodarapurtihi, Swa plus Udarapurtihi, Apyevam, Abhi plus Evam. Okay, this also you have to study. Okay, definitely these questions will be there for your examination. Sandhi Vichedam Kuruta. Now the next important question is question number 6. Viloma Padani Melayada. Kredam opposite Vikredam. Shwaha opposite Hyaha. Shwaha meaning tomorrow, Hyaha yesterday. Gramam opposite Nagaram. Samibastam opposite Durastam. Prichadi opposite Kathedi. Okay, so these are the important questions coming from that lesson Ahamabi Vidyalayam Gavishyami. Now we will move to next lesson Vishwabandhutvam. In this chapter, exercise number 4, Manchushadaha Viloma Padani Chittva Likhata. That is very important. Shatrudayaha opposite Mitradayaha. Pura opposite Adhuna. Manavaha opposite Danavaha. Udaracharidanam opposite Laguchedasam. Sukhinaha opposite Dukhinaha. Abahaya opposite Grihitva. Okay, study well. Very very important. Now the next question is question number 6. Koshtakeshu Datteshu Shabdeshu Samujinam Vibhakti Yojayitva Riktasthanani Pureda. Fill in the blanks by using the correct form of or correct vibhakti of the word given in bracket. These type of questions are not there in your blueprint, but there is a question. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Okay, that question is there. So sometimes for that type of questions, sentences will be taken from these exercises. So let us study that also. Vidyalayam Ubayadaha Vrikshaha Santi. Ubayadaha is a particular word. Upapada Vibhakti. When we use the word Ubayadaha in a sentence, the previous word should be in Didiya Vibhakti. That is a Sanskrit grammatical rule. Vidyalayam Ubayadaha. The word Vidyalayam is Didiya Vibhakti. Similarly, Dash Ubayadaha Gobaligaha. The word is given Krishna. Answer Krishnam. Krishnam Ubayadaha. Okay. So when we use Ubayadaha in a sentence, the previous word should be in Didiya Vibhakti. Next question is also like that. Gramam Paridaha. Parida is also like Ubayadaha. When we use the word Paridaha in a sentence, the previous word should be in Didiya Vibhakti. Gramam is Didiya. Gramam Paridaha. Dash Paridaha Bhaktaha. Mandiram is the answer. Okay, so note down these words Ubayadaha, Paridaha. When we use Ubayadaha and Paridaha in a sentence, the previous word should be in Didiya Vibhakti. Next word Namaha. Suryaya Namaha. When we use the word Namaha, the previous word should be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Suryaya Namaha. Similarly, Dash Namaha Guru. The Chaturthi Vibhakti of the word Guru is Gurave. Gurave Namaha. Suryaya Namaha. Gurave Namaha. Next one, Vrishasya Ubari Gagaha. When we use the word Upari, the previous word should be in Shashti Vibhakti. Vrishasya Ubari. Similarly, Dash Ubari Sainikaha. Ashwa is the word given. Ashwasya is the answer. Ashwasya Ubari. So these words Ubayadaha, Paridaha, Namaha, Ubari. When we use these words in a sentence, the previous word should be in a particular vibhakti, that is according to Sanskrit grammatical rule. When we use Ubayadaha, Paridaha, previous word should be in Ditiya vibhakti. When we use Namaha, the previous word should be in Chaturthi vibhakti. When we use Upari, the previous word should be in Shashti vibhakti. Okay. The next exercise also is based on the same rule. Dash Namaha. Chaturthi vibhakti should be there. Hare is Chaturthi vibhakti. Hare Namaha is the answer. Dash Paridaha. Paridaha, Ditiya vibhakti. Gramam is the answer. Gramam Paridaha. Dash Namaha. Ambaye. Amba is Sriling. So the Chaturthi vibhakti of the word Amba is Ambaye. Ambaye Namaha. Manjasya Ubari. When we use Ubari, Shashti vibhakti, Manjasya. Manjasya Ubari, Shashti. Pidaram Ubayadaha. Next one. When we use Ubayadaha, there should be Ditiya vibhakti. Pidaram is Ditiya vibhakti. These are all the questions important from that lesson. Now we will move to Samavayohi Durjayaha. Samavayo Durjaya, this is an important lesson. Sometimes paragraph based questions may come from this lesson. And there is one more type of question, that is fill in the blanks with suitable words. A paragraph will be given. Okay, a story will be given. And in that paragraph you have to fill up the blanks with suitable words. Words will be given. Okay, for that question also sometimes this lesson is very much important. This lesson will be there. Okay, for that type of questions also. So you have to read this lesson 3-4 times. You read and understand the story. Okay. Ekapadena Uttarada Vrisheka Pradivasati Sma. Who was living in that tree? Answer Chadaga. Vrishasya adaha kaha agadaha. Who came under the tree? Answer Gajaha, elephant. Gajaha kena shakham atrodayada. The elephant broke the branch of the tree by using what? Okay, answer Shundena, with its trunk. Kashtagudaha Chadagam Kasyaha Samibam Anede. The woodpecker led Chadaga to whose side? Answer Matshikayaha. Matshikayaha Mitram Kaha. Who was the friend of Matshika? Answer Mandukaha. Then Prasnarmanam. Underlined word is Chadagayaha. Chadagayaha is Sriling Shashti Egavajan. So the question word Kasyaha. Chadagayaha Kasyaha. Needam Kim. Gajasya Shashti Egavajan Kasya. Chanjwa Kaya. Okay, these are the question words. So study these question words. Okay, from this lesson also sometimes Prashna Nirmanam questions can come. Then next question is Manjushadaha Kriya Padani Chitwa Riktasthanani Pureda. This is also a very important question. Fill in the blanks by using suitable words. Kashtagudaha Chanjwa Gajasya Nayane dash. Answer Spodaishari. Kashtagudaha Chanjwa Gajasya Nayane Spodaishari. The woodpecker will break the eyes of the elephant with its beak. Marge sthidaha ahamabi shabdam dash. Marge sthidaha ahamabi shabdam karishyami. I will make sound, okay, while remaining on the way. Trishartaha gajaha jalashayam dash. Trishartaha gajaha jalashayam gamishyati. The elephant who is thirsty will go to the pond. Gajaha garte padishyati. Okay, gajaha garte padishyati. The elephant will fall down into the ditch. Kashtagudaha tam matshikayaha samibam dash. Kashtagudaha tam matshikayaha samibam anayat. The woodpecker led her to Matshika. गजः शुण्डेन वृक्षशाखाः dash. Gajah shundana vrikshashagaha trodayati. The elephant is breaking the branch of the tree with its trunk. Now next one, Purnavakyana Uttarada. Chadagayaha vilapam srutva kashtagudaha tam kim abrachade. After hearing the crying sound of the Chadaga, that is the bird, woodpecker, what did the woodpecker say to her? That is the question. Answer is there in the first paragraph. Chadagayaha vilapam srutva kashtagudaha namagagaha tam abrachade badre kimartham vilapasi. That is the answer. Answer is there in the first paragraph. Chadagayaha kashtagudasya cha vartam srutva makshiga kim avadade. What did Makshiga say after hearing the words of Chadaga and Kashtagudaha, woodpecker? Answer is there in the second paragraph. Makshiga avadada mamabhimitram mandugaha meganadaha asti shigram tam ubetya yadojidam karishyamaha. That is the answer. Next question. Chadaga kashtagudam kim avadada. Chadaga, what did the Chadaga say to Kashtagudam, the woodpecker? Answer. Chadaga avadada dushtena egana gajana mama sandadihi nashida tasya gajasya vadaneva mama dukkham abasare. Answer is there in the second paragraph. Okay, these questions and answers you should read and understand. Next question, important question, is exercise number 7. Dash baliga madhuram gayadi. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Okay. Dash baliga madhuram gayadi egam ega egaha. Egam is nabumsalinga, ega striling, egaha pulling. Answer ega, because baliga is striling. So ega baliga. Dash krishakaha krishi karmani kurvandi. Chatvaraha chadasraha chatvari. Chatvaraha is pulling, chadasraha striling, chatvari nabumsaling. So the word is here krishakaha. Krishakaha is pulling, so chatvaraha is the right answer. Dash patrani sundarani sandhi. Te taha tani. Te pulling, taha striling, tani nabumsaling. Patrani is nabumsaling, so our answer is tani. Tani patrani. Denavaha dugdam dash. This question is fill in the blanks with the suitable verb. Okay, so verb is connected with the subject. Subject is kartrapadam. Here Denava is kartrapadam, Denavaha is Bahuvajan, so the verb also should be Bahuvajan. The Bahuvajan verb is dadanti. So the answer is dadanti. Vayam Samskritam dash. Here also we have to fill in the blank by using suitable verb. Here Vayam is the subject, so verb should be abadama. Vayam Samskritam abadama. Okay, now we will come to the next lesson, Vidyadhanam. In this lesson, important question is there. Slogamshanam melanam kuruda. Match the sloga sentences. Okay, match the following. That question is coming. Okay, that will be from this lesson. Exercise number 3. Vidya rajasu pujade nahidanam vidya vihinaha pasuhu. Keyura na vibhushayanti purusham hara na chandrojjala. Na chauraharyam na charajaharyam na bradurvajyam na chaparakari. Satkara ayatanam kulasya mahima ratner vinabhushanam. Vanyega samarankaroti purusham ya samskrita dharyate. Sometimes the same questions may come in the examination. Otherwise, there are 4 slogas in the lesson. So other sloga sentences also can come. Okay, so you have to read all 4 slogas very well. And from this lesson there will be question, sloga based question. Read the sloga and answer the questions that can also come from this lesson. Ekapadena uttarada kaha pashuhu. Answer vidya vihinaha. Who is animal? Vidya vihinaha, one who is not having knowledge. Ka bhogagari. Answer vidya. Ke purusham na vibhushayanti. Answer bhushanani. Bhushanani, ornaments. What all are which do not decorate the man? That is the question. Answer ornaments. Ka ega purusham samarangarodi. Which is the thing which can decorate the man. Answer Samskrita Vani, cultured word. Kani Chiyante, which all are things decaying. Answer Bhushanani, ornaments. Prashnarmanam. Vidya Vihinaha Naraha Pashuhu. Naraha Kaha. Vidya Sriling Ka. Haraha Ke. Pida Kaha. Sarvapradhanam Kidrisham. Sarvapradhanam is Visheshanam, that is why the question word will be Kidrisham. Dikshu Kutra. Okay, these are the question words. Study well. 1 or 2 questions will be from this Prashnarmanam. Purnavakyana Uttarada. Gurunam Guruhu Ka Asti. Who is the teacher of teachers? Answer Vidya. Kidrishi Vani Purusham Samalankarodi. What type of word decorates man, ornaments man? Answer Samskrita Vani, the cultured word. Vayakrade Kim Vardade, which increases while spending. Answer Vidya. Bhagyakshaye Asrayaha Kaha, which is the which can be depended on when there is decay of luck. Answer Vidya. Okay, so these questions also you have to read and understand. Okay, these all are very important. Now we are moving to Amrutam Samskritam. Paragraph based questions sometimes you can expect from this lesson. Okay, Ekavadana Uttarada. Ka Bhasha Prajinatama, which is the oldest language. Samskrita Bhasha. Shunyasya Pratibhadanam Kaha Grod, who mentioned or explained zero in mathematics? Answer Aryabhadaha. Kaudilyana Rajitam Shastram Kim, what is the book written by Kaudilya? Answer Arthashastram. Kasyaha Bhashayaha Kavya Saundaryam Anupamam, the beauty of poem of which language is unequal? Answer Samskrita Bhashayaha. Kaha Abhyudayaya Prarayandi, which all are things motivating for progress? Answer Suktayaha. Answer in full sentence. Sanganakasya Kride Sarvatama Bhasha Ka, which language is the best language used in computer? Samskritam. Samskritasya Vangmayam Kaihi Samriddham, the literature of Sanskrit is very rich with what all are things? Answer is there in the second paragraph. Samskritasya Vangmayam Vedehi Puranehi Nidhi Shastrehi Chikitsa Shastradibihi Cha Samriddham Asti. Samskritam Kim Sitshedi. Sarvabodeshu Atmavad Vivaharam Kartum Samskritam Sitshedi. Answer is there in the third paragraph. Asmabhi Samskritam Kimartham Padaniyam, why should we learn Sanskrit? Asmabhi Samskritam Samajasya Parishkarartham Padaniyam. Answer is there in the fourth paragraph. Okay, these all are very important. Study. Now next one, Prashnarmanam. Nidhihi Striling Shabda. Answer Ka. Sanganakasya Shashti Ekavajan Kasya. Samskrita Sahitye Saptami Ekavajan Kasmin. Varishtan Ka. Okay, very simple. That also you have to learn. Now we are coming to the last lesson, Lalana Geetam. So the sloga based questions sometimes it can come from this lesson. Ekavadana Uttarada. Ka Vikasadi, who is smiling? Answer Dharani. Kim Vikasadi, what is blossoming? Answer Kamalam. Vyagraha Kutra Garjadi, where the tiger is roaring? Answer is there in the sixth sloga. Gahane Vipine. Harinaha Kim Ghadadi, what the deer is eating? Answer is there in the seventh sloga. Navaghasam, new grass. Mandam Kaha Gachari, who is walking slowly? Answer is there in the eighth sloga. Pushtraha, camel is the answer. Prashnarmanam. Nauka Striling Ekavajan Ka. Pushpeshu Saptami Bahuvachan Keshu. Pushtraha Kaha. Dhavana Samaye Kada. Surye Kasmin. Okay, these all are very much important. The next important question is exercise question number 5. Viloma Padani Melayada. Mandam, slowly. Opposite Chipram, speedily. Nijehi, opposite. Uchehi. Kadhoraha, hard. Snigdam, smooth. Puradanam, old, Nudanam new, Aparyaptam not enough, Paryaptam enough. Okay, these are the opposite words, very, very important. Now the next question is eighth question. Chitram drishtva manjushadaha padani cha prayujya vakyani rajayata. This question, look at the picture and write sentences. Okay, but for you, picture will be there and sentences also will be there. Only thing, fill in the blanks. Some words will be given, you have to fill up the blanks by using the suitable words. Okay, so sometimes for that question, this picture can come, or sometimes general picture also will be there. If this picture is coming, the sentences likely to come. Idan udyanasya chitramasti. Okay, this is the picture of a garden. Balagaha kandugena kridanti. Children are playing with football. Agashe gagaha sandhi, or agashe gagaha utpadanti. Birds are flying on the sky. Udyane pushpani sandhi. There are flowers in the garden. Like that, questions, sentences may be there. Only thing, you have to fill up the blanks with suitable words. Words will be given, sentences will be given. Read the sentences very well, understand the meaning of the sentence, and then only try to answer the question. Okay, these are the important questions from the second term. Study well. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.